So, molarity, which is designated with a capital M, is something that measures concentration. It measures how many particles of solute there are per volume of solvent. So something that you should keep in mind is that this is always solute on top, and on the bottom it's per volume of solvent. Okay, so since it's moles of solute and we're given grams, we're going to have to convert that so we can plug it in, and then we're going to have to convert the milliliters into liters and plug it in. So we'll do that first. So 250 milliliters is the same as 0.25 liters. Notice that this 0 is a placeholder, so it's dropped off. The other thing we need to do is 10.3 grams of NaCl. We need to convert that into moles. The molar mass of sodium chloride is 58.4. That's how much 1 mole of it weighs. So when we do that, and we count in sig figs, we get 1.76 moles. So I think now we're ready to take these two values and just plug them in. So the molarity is 0.176 moles of NaCl over 0.25 liters of water. What that ends up giving you is, do a little bit of number crunching, 0.71. That is the molarity. A little bit squished here, but that's your molarity. 0.71 molar solution. Okay, the next problem says, how many grams do we have? So we're going to just move this up. Well, I guess I'll move it when I need it. I do want to point out again that for this one, we're going to use this same equation right here. And we're going to concentrate now on the next problem. Now that one, we're just going to have to rearrange this because now it's asking for how many grams again. So we're going to have to do a mole to gram conversion, but it's asking for us to basically rearrange this equation. And in rearranging it, we're going to take this equation here, and we're going to rearrange it so that we get moles equals the molarity times the liters. Now something that I want you to keep in mind is that since molarity is moles times liters, the units work for this. I'm actually going to erase this so you can see. And then what you will be able to do is you'll be able to cancel these out and you'll end up in moles. Once we're in moles here, we can convert to grams and get the answer. Okay, so I'm just going to plug in. The only thing that I have to do is just convert this to liters, which is 0.125 liters. Okay, so I want the number of moles. Actually, I'm going to keep it right over here. The molarity is 0.5, and that's for glucose, moles per liter. And the liters is 0.125 liters. These cancel, gives us moles. So the number of moles that we have is 0.06. And that's moles of glucose, the C6H12O6. So we want to take that and we want to convert it into grams. That's the last step. The molar mass of C6H12O6 is 180. Moles cancel, we're in grams, and the answer is 11.25 grams, which with sig figs just turns into 11 grams of glucose. And that is the answer, 11 grams of glucose to how many grams of sugar? Glucose, sugar. Okay, that's it.